Good afternoon, family. My name is Joanna Garzon, and I want to present to you my project and dream come true. You after a great effort and what better way than to share this joy with you, my family. You have always been my great drive and support to continue to your daughter. You were my motivation that you always reminded me that it to find that despite the obstacle and adversities, the reward and triumphs come. Today, I want to launch my new makeup store called Trendy Woman, which will have several points of sale in Bogota, where it will be distribute wholesale and retail. We are going to open a headquarters in Medellin, and the idea is to open several at point in different cities of the country. And because I cannot reach a good export point, I will handle accessories and beauty products for all women. My main objective is to enhance beauty and expand my portfolio of affiliate clients in order to achieve greater commercialization and distribution. I want to be a leading brand in the market offering quality products, big, open, and willing to new trends and market needs. You can find a wide variety of products because the most important thing is that they always feel beautiful fall and the secret of beauty is to be yourself. I am very happy to share this great news with of all you. Welcome.